Oh dear. What happened? Me? Oh dear. What happened? What did they do to my set? What the? No, this is so bad. Hi guys, I'm Universal. Well, you know my name. I've been stuck in a broom closet for over 2 years. I do not know how I got there, and for some reason the studio is very, very up. Okay, now I should bring something out right now. I can't seem to find any friends. How about now? Friends?
Probably want to kill you. Probably want to kill you.
Why would you ever so want to kill me, Polly?
Do you remember?
Remember what? Oh, that was just an accident, Polly. That's what the producer told me to do.
You stupid friggin' coward! I hate you!
Now for my next guest, we're gonna get the bird.
Caw-caw, 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 caw-caw.
Can the bird hear me? Come on, you do it at home. Caw-caw, 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 caw-caw. Are you cocking enough? Are you... Why, look, all your cocking got the bird here. Now, bird, what do you have to say?
I hate you.
You... what? Why would you hate me?
Go back in the closet.
Tastes like chicken. Now, for my next guest, we're going to have a very nice friend of ours. He eats humans, and he's been extinct for over 350 million years. Please welcome the dinosaur.
Well, well. I haven't seen you in a while. How's everything been?
Oh, it's been fine. Why don't you come in closer so the camera can see you? Say hi to everyone at home, you nice dinosaur.
All I can see is a wall and a paint bucket.
A wall and a paint bucket? A wall and a paint bucket? Do you know what this is? It's my studio. My wife left me. Can't you fucking understand? I hate you! For my next guest, I'm going to have... I don't know.
What's up, Dick?
What's up, Dick? You want to know what's up, Dick? Oh, I couldn't hurt you. You're a little rabbit. Isn't that right? That's all you are, is a little rabbit. What do you see at home, kids? Do you see a rabbit? Because I see a rabbit, and you know what it is? It's rabbit season! I think we're still out of guests, but might one pop out of the blue? Who knows? And he's purple, he's friendly, and he's a pedophile. Welcome, Barney the dinosaur. Coming closer. No, a little closer. Closer. Here, why don't I just take you?
Please, sir, don't hurt me.
Why do you sound messed up?
I don't sound messed up. This is how I've always talked in the last 20 years.
No, I don't think you have. No. Now, what do you have to say to me?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Could you say no to this face? Could you say no? I love me. Me loves me.
I'm so happy you're the one. You are so lovely, it's so fun. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you.
Like me.
Everything's better with a friend. Everything's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you.
Wow, that nice rendition might not make me want to kill you.
This is a response to all the people who hated I Love You.
What are you saying? I was just about to let you live. And you... Next guest. Please welcome, from the wobulous world of Dr. Seuss, the Cat in the Hat.
No sir, I am just the Cat in the Hat.
I said that. You're the Cat in the Hat.
No, you said I'm the Cat in the Hat from the wobulous world of Dr. Seuss, but I'm just the Cat in the Hat.
Really?
Have you visited Seuss Landing?
Yeah, I've been there. It was alright. You should go. Universal Studios Islands of Adventure, Seuss Landing. I mean,
Will you not hurt me?
I won't hurt you. You're just a nice kitty. A nice, friendly kitty. Now, let's see if that hat of yours is what's under it. It doesn't come off! You're not the real Cat in the Hat! Are you?
You're shouting again.
I'm shouting. I'm shouting. Everyone, I think you can enjoy these wonderful 7 episodes we've had over the years, and I've learned one thing. $30 an hour for this? Yeah, right. I'm going back to the bar.